So I'm so excited to show you this complete unboxing of this Echelon Connect Smart Bike EX5. I'm a big fan of showing these unboxings because I know a lot of people are a little bit reticent to order these because they think the assembly is pretty monstrous. And let me just tell you right now, the assembly was so easy. This company has a long history of credibility. I was so excited to get this. They have very helpful, supportive, easy to follow guides and manuals. They leave their support information. You guys know I've been reviewing products for 30 years and I'm always a big fan of companies that understand user experience, and these guys, bar none, one of the best that I have seen. And my family, we've been dying to actually get a stationary bike for a very, very long time. So this was a really, really big deal to us. And so I wanted to show you how they organize all the parts. It seems like it might be a little intimidating at first. You're like, I'm going to put together a stationary bike, but actually the bulk of it is already put together. And so the rest of it is just super, super easy. And so I got everything laid out. I got all the parts laid out. And I'll admit, I'm not the most handiest guy on the planet. So if you're somebody who's a little bit worried about that, let me put your concerns at ease. Look at that. So the real core of the bike is practically already assembled, and so you don't really have to worry about much. All you need to do is just follow step by step each instruction that has an actual picture. It's so super easy to follow. I was so excited. They also have an app, and you can see right here how easy it is to follow step by step. They give you all the tools. All the tools are actually included. You don't have to worry about anything. And I was just amazed at how easy. Again, I'm somebody who usually hires people to fix things like this for me because it's way too complex. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. And look at that. Voila. I followed it step by step. And look at that. Even me, clunky, clumsy, the least handiest guy. I know my wife is laughing right now. Honey, if you're watching this, she's totally laughing. But I actually put this together with the greatest of ease. It was absolutely perfect, and the instructions were crystal clear. This also comes with a free 30-day trial, guys, and it has access to over 3,000 live on-demand Connect fitness classes led by world-class instructors. You also get playlists, and the design is really, really cool. So all I did was plug it in. Now, just for the sake of this video, I didn't use an extension cord. Oh, another thing too, because of the wheels, I was able to move it very, very easily, just lifting it and moving it. But once I plugged it in, it was super easy. I'm going to have my wife actually demonstrate this. I love the USB connect, that I'm able to connect my phone, and I'm able to connect that very, very easily. You see how clumsy I am? I wanted to show that in real time. I am not the most tech-oriented person, so if you're not a very tech and very handy person, this is the perfect stationary bike for you, this EX5 by Echelon. I love it. And so look at that. You can actually put your phone, you can put a tablet, you can put any kind of monitor right there. It's got this beautiful, handy, easy clamp, and literally boom, voila, and you can actually watch your favorite shows while you bike. You can watch your favorite whatever you want to do on your devices. It is super, super easy. And now my wife is going to show you how amazing this is. One thing I want to add too, Echelon actually stands by their products. As my wife is trying this out, they give you a 100% money back guarantee. Any company that does that, to me, in my mind, it gives me so much comfort because it's risk-free. You get the first 30 days completely free, and you get 5-star customer service. You get warranty and support. They will help you with any issue that you have, and you have an Echelon 12-month limited parts and labor warranty. So there's literally no risk when you try this amazing Echelon stationary bike. And so my wife is going to actually check this out, and you see that red power button right there. Anytime that you want to increase the tension, all you have to do is twist that knob, and it is super, super easy to use, and you can increase the tension. My wife is just adjusting. Very easy to adjust the handlebars, adjust the chair, adjust the seat. I was pretty amazed at how easy everything was to actually adjust. Just kind of testing out the parts here, and then I go back to the handy manual kind of just to make sure if there's anything that we miss, because we really pride ourselves on preparation, and it was just absolutely superb. I love this stationary bike. I'm so excited to use it. I'm so excited to share it with my family. And then once we kind of figured everything out, so you're going to twist that knob to add a little bit of tension, and you can see my wife. And my wife actually, she got her heart rate pumping. I mean, we only demoed this for about 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes as she was riding this, and look at her, big thumbs up. She absolutely loves this stationary bike. I cannot recommend this enough. Get this right now. It is absolutely amazing. We absolutely love it. I cannot recommend this enough. Love it.